I'm supposed to build a polynomial. And my polynomial has vertical asymptotes at x equals -5/7. Oh, look, there it is. X equals -5/7, and x equals 7/3. It has a horizontal asymptote at y equals -9/21. And it has x-intercepts at 790 and -30. How do I build my polynomial, my rational function?
Work backwards.
Yeah, work backwards. Where do you want me to start? With the denominator? Okay, what of these things came from my denominator? The vertical asymptote. So I'm going to work backwards. So I'm going to take my denominator and work backwards. I'm going to multiply both sides by 7, so I get 7x equals -5. That'll give me 7x plus 5 equals 0. So far, so good. And then I work backwards from here. It'll give me 3x equals 7. So 3x minus 7 equals 0. Put them together, and I will have my denominator of some number a times 7x plus 5 times 3x minus 7. So far, so good. Yeah? All right, now what? I presumably need to build a numerator, right? How am I going to build my numerator? From my x-intercepts. So from these, I know that the following is true. X equals 7/9 is a 0 of my numerator, and x equals -3 is also a 0 of my numerator. So if I work backwards, I have 9x plus 7 equals 7, and I have x plus 3 equals 0. This will give me 9x minus 7 equals 0. When I put them together, I have that my numerator will be some number, we'll call it b this time because I already used a, times 9x minus 7 times x plus 3. So now what? Well, put them together and let's see what we got. We have a numerator that is b times 9x minus 7 times x plus 3, and a denominator that is a times 7x plus 5 times 3x minus 7. What do I do with that? Not done. What? Yeah, I still need to use my horizontal asymptote, so as x goes to infinity, my function is going where? What's important in the top? 9x squared, and don't forget the b because it's also multiplying the x squared, so 9 times b times x squared. What's important in the bottom? 21ax squared, and when that simplifies, I have a 9b over 21a. According to my problem, that's supposed to be -9 over 21. So what do I have to do to make this be -9 over 21? Something needs to become negative. Well, the only thing I have to work with is b or a. Does it matter which one I make negative? No, pick one. So it can be, we'll say if b is on top, we'll make b -1. And if b is -1, then that means a is going to have to be 1. So our problem now is, our final function is f of x equals -1 times 9x minus 7 over x plus 3. And on the bottom I have 7x plus 5 times 3x minus 7.